Welcome to the course Introduction to Software Testing, QA and QE. I'm very glad you have decided to join me. In this short introduction video, my goal is to show you what the outcome of this course will be before you waste your time watching the whole video, to show you a table of content and to give you information about support. How do you get support? How do you go further with this field? That's really what I want to get at. If this is the first course you're taking from me, my name is Admas Kunfu. I run supersqa.com. My credentials are I'm a software development engineer in test or SDET or QA automation, and I've been in automation for about 11 years now, a little bit over 11 years, and I've been teaching for about 9 years out of those 11. I started teaching right away when I got into this field. I really enjoyed it, and I felt like I should share my knowledge, and I've been creating courses, and now I have live boot camps. I have coaching that I'm launching like literally next week, like a one-on-one coaching, and I have a membership where I get with people and teach them and just work together. My background in education is mechanical engineering. I got a bachelor's and master's. I'm just giving you credentials, and I'm also putting my education here so you know that you can come from any background and you can really get into software testing. It's one of the best fields out there. Really, I really enjoy it, and I do believe that you're doing the right thing by researching the field. So you're in the right place. So why QA? I just wanted to add this slide here as motivation. It is one of the easiest ways to start a tech career. Like I really do strongly feel like it is easy to get into. It's a matter of commitment. It's a matter of investing time on it. But the material itself, learning itself, is pretty awesome. Manual testing is a lot of art, and automation testing is a lot of technical stuff that you just going to learn and practice. The money is really good. You are getting paid engineer's salary. People go to 4 years, 8 years into school to make the kind of money that we make. So it's an awesome pay, a really good work-life balance. Like the stress level compared to other tech careers, I feel like it is lower. I get to see it because I work with so many different people. That's another benefit of being a QA, is you work with so many different disciplines. You get to see how their work is. And I really think we have a good. I really think the work-life balance is pretty good. And most importantly, it opens a lot of doors. The thing about QA is one of the reasons being you work with a lot of people. The other reason being is very technical, that it opens a lot of doors. Like you can just grow your career and take it into so many different directions. You want to stay in QA, you will get paid a lot more as you get better at technical, as you get better at like leadership, you get paid a lot. And also if you want to jump into different careers, you know what other people do, you know what kind of careers there are in a tech company, and you know what they do. So it makes it a lot easier to just move around and grow. So it's an awesome career. I just want to put that out here, but you probably know that if you're already researching this. All right, so what I expect you, or what I hope you'll get from this course. So what I did is I took a 14-hour course that I am working on. In fact, I have it here. I have it ready to show you. This course here, learn software testing. So it is 14 hours long, and I'm still working on it. There are still some stuff coming up, and I'm trying to compress it into 2 hours. So I had to do the hard job of picking what topics do I need to take from this course and put it into this compressed 2-hour ones that has the most impact. So hopefully I did a good job with that, choosing the right things. And please let me know if you'd like to replace some of the content, some of the videos in here, like, or if you say like, I wish you would talk about this more, I would love to hear it, right? You get a chance to review. So leave a review and put a comment in there, leave an honest review and put a comment in there saying, I wish you talk about this. And hopefully I hear from you. And I'll also tell you how to contact me in upcoming slides. So my hope is you understand what the field is, what software testing is, understand what the role of the tester is. Those two go hand to hand. I'm hoping you will learn the difference between manual testing and automation testing. You'll hear that all the time, right? When you are exploring the QA field, the software testing field, there's manual, there's automation. So I have like a video that explains that and actually shows you what those things are. I'm hoping you'll get familiar with test cases and how to document them. Just giving you a little sneak peek of the terminology in software testing. Test cases, like everything is based on a test case. And some technical things. You heard about SQL databases. That's something you have to know, whether you're manual or automation. So I'll show you what that is in actual examples, actually running SQL, as well as API testing, backend testing. Most of our examples will be in front-end testing. So front-end testing will be obvious, browser testing. So I figured I should just create a video just for API testing, back-end testing. So I'm just trying to use up this 2 hours limit and put as much information that I think is useful. So hopefully I'll get feedback from you. So table of content is pretty much what I covered right now. So we're going to talk about what is software testing. We're going to look at manual testing versus automation testing. We're going to look at what is a test case, then test case management tools, because we have a few options. We're going to talk about what is SDLC, software development lifecycle, because we are a major part of the lifecycle for software development. And we're going to talk about introduction to databases and SQL. And then we're going to talk about API testing, right? Backend testing, API testing. Then, of course, we have this intro and we have the conclusion, and then the very last lecture also after the conclusion. Then, so support. How do you get more information? How do you learn more? How do you work with me? The best thing is basically Discord. I have a free private community on Discord. It's just free. You just need a Discord account. It's a community. We'll talk there. You can ask questions. If whenever you have issues, you can post screenshots and I'll do my best to help you. We're going to communicate there. Also on the screen, I have my email address right there. So you can just pause this, save the screen. In addition to Discord, you can check out all my social if you want to contact me there. So if you go to, social, or you have a link right there, supersqa.com/social. And you have the Discord here. Basically, just click here and you will join the Discord server. And YouTube, TikTok, IG, and Facebook. You can also follow me there. I create a lot of videos that are just educational. It's always about automation. It's always about technology. It's always about QA. At least most of the time. QA, DevOps. As a good engineer, as a software engineer, you need to know a little bit more than, well, not a little bit, more than just testing. So a lot of my videos are like overall engineering. So make sure you follow me on subscribe to YouTube. But the Discord is the most important one because you get to directly talk to me and we can discuss anything that's going on, from like actual technical things to overall career advice. It's very open platform. The next thing is resources. Is pretty much what I just mentioned, the same thing. YouTube, I spend a lot of time on YouTube and I'm actually planning to ramp that up. So a lot of tutorials on YouTube. So check that out. And the Discord is the best place. All right. So hopefully you enjoy the course. You give me feedback. I'm always, since it's just too short, it's 2 hours long, I'm always willing to make the course better, give you more value. You can tell me, hey, this video was not that useful. If you talk more about this topic, it will be great. Okay. And of course, check out the other one whenever you want to. It's an awesome course, 14 hours and still growing. So I'll see you in the rest of the course. Learn, pay attention to it, take notes, and take it to the bank and cash it. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.